In today's video, I'll teach you how to create a seller account on eBay. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in ebay.com, press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of eBay. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to create the seller account, first of all, you need to create the eBay account. So make sure you've created the eBay account like you usually do. After you do that, make sure you're logged into your account. Now creating a seller account is actually very simple. If you're logged into your account, you'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is click on this option, sell. Now if you're visiting here for the first time, you'll be able to find the option for getting started. All you have to do is click on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see over here, you can list an item in order to start selling, or you can also do it later on. Now you'll be able to see the selling overview over here. In order to completely create the seller account, what you have to do is simply get the access to Seller Hub. For that, click on this option, switch to Seller Hub that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, this kind of pop-up will appear. You'll be able to get more advanced selling tool. Click on this option, switch tools that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to access the Seller Hub. You can see over here, you'll be able to find the options like overview, orders, listings, marketing, advertising, store, performance, payments, etc. So like this, you'll be able to create the seller account and start selling. So that is how you create a seller account on eBay. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.